So we about to harvest our melon. Tiger Stripe Melon, I believe, so get up in there. Pow! Let's see that thing. Beautiful. We're gonna put it in the fridge before we splice it, but y'all see. This is our Tiger Stripe Melon that we harvested yesterday. Nice and cold now. And so, let's see what we got. You want some?
Nice.
We thought it was a honeydew. Beautiful seeds. Beautiful seeds. You want to grab us a spoon, baby? See what it's tasting like. Oh, it looks so juicy. Serve me up. It tastes like a honeydew. It could be sweeter. Definitely can be sweeter.
This ain't a honeydew though. That's why it don't taste like it's not a honeydew. What's that?
Yeah. Clean out the seeds, baby. Let's eat. And so, you know what we're going to do with these seeds. We're going to dry them out. We're going to wash them. And we're going to save them to plant more. The outside of this melon is still kind of hard, but the inside is very ripe.
Our neighbor was going to take our melon. She was like, does it change color?
Oh, yeah. Our fellow gardener, while we was out of town for a while, was caring for our garden. And she came up on some good melons. She thinks she got 2 watermelons. Probably 3 watermelons for real. But you know, it's all good. We paid her in food. Look at you over there. You want some? And come all your piece of that. Wow. It's for the sweet baby. She gonna eat both. She got the cracker in her mouth. We know you like melon. Say Tiger Stripe Melon.